The 2015 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, security alarm, CD player, Uconnect hands-free group, Sirius satellite radio, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, front bucket seats, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.